How to activate US Bank debit card. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, all you gotta do is head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, search for US Bank login. Once you're inside the official website, click on Login at the top right corner of the screen. It will land you on this page. Now enter the username and the password of your account. Once done, click on Sign In. You will be logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, you have to select Manage Card and choose your card. After that, select Activate and then Create PIN. To activate using online banking, you simply have to select Accounts, then click on Manage Cards, and then choose your card. Then you have to select Activate Card and then Create PIN. Also, once done, you may have to call their automated service at this number to activate your card and create your PIN. If you got a temporary card when you open your account, use the PIN form that card for your new debit card. You won't be receiving any new PIN. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.